Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the Aviator Predictor app on your phone in a few simple steps. First, open your phone settings, scroll down and go to App Management, then tap on App Settings. Find and open Google Chrome, scroll down to Install Unknown Apps and make sure to toggle on Allow from this source so you can install apps from outside the Play Store. Now go back and open Google Chrome. In the search bar, type Aviator Predictor APK Download. You'll see a site called Softonic. Tap on it, then click Download Predictor Aviator APK for Android. And after that, select Free APK Download. The download will start automatically. Once it's done, tap Download, then Open, and the installation will begin right away. That's it. You'll now have the Aviator Predictor app installed on your device. If the app doesn't work for any reason, don't worry. Just scroll through the search results and try downloading it from another APK site. There are plenty of alternatives available. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.